In this video, I want to explain one of the TradingView indicators that has recently gone viral, clearly, practically, and without exaggeration. This is not a click and trade indicator. It's designed for traders who care just as much about when not to trade as when to trade. The indicator is called Scalping Signals with MTF Fibo Bands. It's built around multi-timeframe Fibonacci bands and real price behavior, not simple indicator crossovers. This tool is meant to support decision-making, not replace it. Let's go into the settings. Here you can choose the higher time frame that the bands are calculated from. For example, your execution time frame might be 1 minute, while the Fibonacci bands come from 5 minutes or 15 minutes. The idea is simple. You execute on a lower time frame, but you're reacting to structure from a higher one. This is where most market noise gets filtered out. There are two main ways to use this indicator. The first approach is using signals from both time frames. That means the lower time frame gives a signal and the higher time frame confirms the same direction. This approach is more conservative. You get fewer trades, but usually higher quality ones. The second approach is using the higher time frame visually only. You simply observe the direction of the bands, the market slope. Where price is located relative to the ranges, then you execute only on the lower time frame. This method is more flexible and is often preferred by experienced scalpers. If the market is highly volatile or close to major news, using dual time frame confirmation is usually safer. But when the market has a clear structure and a strong directional bias, visual higher time frame confirmation is often more than enough. The key point is this: the indicator doesn't make decisions. The trader does. At its core, this indicator is a professional framework, not a signal machine. If you understand which time frame to trade on and how to filter entries using higher time frame structure, this tool can help you trade with less stress, less noise, and more logical decision-making. You'll find the indicator link in the description. And if you like this style of analysis, make sure to subscribe.